Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Sheet ID here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting a sheet ID here on the Smartsheet is a straightforward process. First off, once you're logged into your account, open the sheet for which you need the ID. Alright? In my case, I'm gonna click on this file. Now, there are two ways where you can get the sheet ID via URL. Number one is go to the URL browser. Alright? You see these numbers? These numbers probably are going to be the sheet numbers. All right. I'm sure of that. That's one way. Now, the next option that you can do is go to the file section here and go to properties. You see the sheet ID is these series of numbers. You also have the sheet link and the sheet name, right? Now, the thing is, if you are using the Smartsheets API to automate tasks or integrate with other applications, you need the Sheet ID to perform operations like retrieving data, updating rows, or creating reports programmatically. Now, if you, for example, migrating data between Smartsheet workspace or accounts, having the Smartsheet ID may be used to configure data sources or integrate with reporting systems. If you're setting up access or control permissions through external tools or custom solutions, knowing the sheet ID helps in specifying which sheets users have access to. Now, I normally send the sheet ID if I'm working with multiple freelancers. For example, I'm part of a big organization with a lot of team members. So to avoid confusion and to have clarity, we normally get the sheet ID so that there's no confusion, especially if we're going to address and identify some problem within a specific task or project. Understanding and using the Smartsheet ID effectively can streamline your workflow and ensure better management and integration of your Smartsheet data. This is to identify Smartsheet ID ensures you're linking it to the correct sheet. All right. Now, if you need to create links or references between sheets in different applications or within Smartsheet itself, most of the time, the IT within your organization might need the Smartsheet ID. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.